Do you ever buy specialty papers just because it's beautiful, but then you're too afraid to actually cut into it? Trust me, I've been there. Hello everyone, I am Revati from RP underscore Shutterbug, and today we are diving into the brand new box number 14 from Your Paper Insider. If you've been following my channel and my work, you know I'm obsessed with clean and simple designs and, of course, anything that sparkles. Box number 14 is exactly that, a beautiful collection with a variety of color options to choose from, with the purples and pinks being my absolute favorites. Now, before I dive into each of these gorgeous papers individually, I want to take a moment to talk a little about the Your Paper Insider subscription box itself. Now, this is a quarterly paper crafting subscription that brings a beautifully curated selection of high quality papers straight to your craft room. Each box is thoughtfully put together around a cohesive color palette and style, making it easy to mix and match designs without overthinking. It's perfect for card makers and paper crafters who love having fresh inspiration on hand, discovering new color combinations, and building a versatile paper stash that they'll actually use, not just admire. Now, I have always looked forward to seeing what's inside each of these boxes, and trust me, I have never been disappointed. Now, these boxes are sent out quarterly in Jan, April, July, and October, and each box is priced at $29.95 with shipping included. If you're interested in learning more, I'll have links down in the description box below. Now, let's take a look at what's included in the box. They always include this helpful cheat sheet, on one side of which we have details about some of those unique papers that are featured in the box. And on the other side, you will have a full list of all the papers that are included in the box with their weight and sizes. Now, if you're interested in individual papers like the white cardstocks, some of the specialty cardstocks, or even watercolor cardstocks, that may be included in the kit, but you can also buy them separately. Now, let's get started with this fun bonus note card from H&H Graphics. Now, they create special effect papers, including scented papers. Now, this one here is a recipe card which features a buttered rum scent, and on the other side, it includes a recipe, which is, I feel, such a fun and creative touch. Now, let's take a look at all of these papers individually. We will start with the royal blue foil board paper. Now, this one measures 8.5 by 11 inches, and this is a 92-pound cardstock. A beautiful royal blue foil, as the name suggests. Next, we have a solid color cardstock. This is the Sapphire Color Plan cardstock. This is a 100-pound cardstock, thick, heavyweight cardstock. I would use it for my die cuts or even card bases. Now, if you've been following my Your Paper Insider unboxings or any cards that I create using these papers, you know that these Thai Unuru papers are my absolute favorite. This one here looks white on camera, but is actually baby blue Thai Unuru paper, a very delicate feather-like paper. Moving on to the next set of blue, we have the Blue Moon cocktail paper with that absolutely gorgeous shine and shimmer on both sides. Next, we have this dark blue curious skin. Well, it does look black, but it's a very dark blue, darker than your usual navy blue. This is a very soft and smooth texture. It does not have any detailed or hard fiber-like texture on this, and I love the feel of it. Moving on to some cool tones, we have the white hemp flower tissue. This one again measures 8.5 by 11 inches, but the sizes may vary. This is a waterproof rayon paper with an absolutely gorgeous detail. Now, the next we have the Party Confetti Chunky Glitter paper, which is a returning favorite. It was in one of the earlier boxes, and I absolutely love this paper. Well, this Party Confetti is the first time that I'll be using it, but I do have the same chunky glitter in gold and silver, and I absolutely love it. Again, we have this gorgeous Thai Unru paper in the shade magenta, beautiful, vibrant pink. Now, we'll move on to the pinks. We have magenta non-shed glitter cardstock. You know, I absolutely love non-shed glitter cardstocks by Your Paper Insider. They are beautiful and super sparkly. To match that, we have the Dahlia Color Wheel Spellbinders cardstock. This is a 100-pound heavyweight cardstock, followed by a light pink non-shed glitter cardstocks. Now, Your Paper Insider does have a pack of non-shed glitter cardstocks in rainbow colors, which is an absolute must-have for me in my crafty stash because I love using these for little die-cut pieces or even die-cut sentiments. Next, we have this fun dusty rose Yuzenshi Shiogami paper. I hope I pronounced it right, but I absolutely love the detailing on this paper. This would be a beautiful card background. For some silvery shine and shimmer, the next paper is Opal Oyster Pearl Gloss Shimmer paper. Again, absolutely gorgeous. The camera really does not do justice to this paper. The shine is stunning. Now, this box, I believe, has three vellums, and the next one is the lemon yellow vellum. This is a very thick vellum, and again, I would use this for leaves or any kind of absolutely gorgeous shadows on my sentiments. Now, every box by Your Paper Insider comes with holographic cardstocks. This is the silver holographic diamond cardstock. They do have a pack of holographic cardstocks, which includes a variety of these designs. Moving on, we have the Environment Honeycomb cardstock, which is more of like a craft cardstock, absolutely gorgeous, thick, heavyweight. Next, again, we have a vellum sheet. This is the Glamour Natural Clear Vellum. Beautiful texture and heavyweight. Next is this Touche Saffron paper, which is a 111-pound cover. It's it has a very smooth surface that almost does not feel like paper. I absolutely love this. Next, for some gold, we have the bright gold brushed metal double-sided. Now, this, if you watched my previous unboxing video, box number 13 had this in bright red, and I absolutely loved that. I have been using that red for most of my Christmas projects, and I really look forward to using the one in gold. Next, we have the Beeswax Color Wheel Spellbinders cardstock. Again, a super heavyweight cardstock. Moving on from the yellows, we have this light blue via felt stationery. Now it does look white, but off camera it has a very slightest hint of blue in it, very light blue. Next we have the violet mirror foil cardstock, again 12-point cover, beautiful shimmer and shine on this paper, absolutely perfect for those little foil accents on your cards or projects. Next, we have the Wisteria Purple Vellum. Again, this gorgeous sheet of purple absolutely coordinates with the purples in the box, and I think I would even use it with the pinks. Next, we have the Violet Curious Metallics cardstock. Again, this one has that slight shimmer on both sides. Followed by that, we have the glossy gray beam Gaumont paper. Gaumont papers are something that I have used in so many different projects in my cards. And this glossy gray beam is again absolutely stunning. It's not white, it does have a hint of gray in it. Next, we have the UltraWhite Smooth cardstock. This is a 100-point cover cardstock. Again, you will find a pack of these on the Your Paper Insider website. Now, these were all the big papers that were included, but we have a small surprise in this kit. We have the cold press watercolor card fronts. Now, I have been obsessed with watercoloring for quite some time now, and I'm sure I'll be using these papers for most of my watercoloring. I do have a pack of watercolor papers by Your Paper Insider, and they are absolutely amazing. Now, this set has 10 papers. These are A2 size, and this is a gift pack. If you wanted, you could also order bigger sizes of papers that are available on the Your Paper Insider website. So those were all the beautiful papers that was included in box number 14. If you're interested in subscribing to Your Paper Insider quarterly subscription box, be sure to check out the links in the description box below. You can also take a look at their other products that are available without subscription. If there are any leftover subscription boxes, they do sell those individually, but you always save more by subscribing. Now, I will have links to everything down in the description box below, including the subscription box and the items that are sold individually over at Your Paper Insider. Please note that all of these links are affiliate links, and if you shop using one of those links, I'll get a small commission at no cost to you guys. I'll be creating projects throughout this quarter using some fun papers from this box. Stay tuned for all those beautiful projects. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Until next time, stay safe.